You might think this is a simple question, but how much does 16 ounces of water actually weigh? First, we need to understand that ounces can measure both volume and weight. When we say 16 ounces of water, we usually mean fluid ounces, a measure of volume. But ounces can also measure weight on a scale. To convert volume into weight, we use density. Water has a density of about 1 gram per milliliter. 16 fluid ounces equals roughly 473 milliliters. That means 16 ounces of water weighs about 473 grams. In pounds, that's just over 1 pound. So the simple answer is this: 16 ounces of water weighs about 1 pound. That's why a small water bottle feels close to a pound. In cooking, this makes measuring water very convenient because for water, volume and weight almost match. Temperature slightly changes water density, but the difference is tiny for everyday use. Other liquids don't behave the same way. Oil is lighter, so 16 ounces of oil weighs less. Syrup is heavier, so the same volume weighs more. Water structure makes it ideal as a measurement reference. That's why water is often used in science calculations. Many hydration bottles are sized at 16 ounces. Each bottle adds roughly 1 pound. This helps travelers estimate baggage weight. In cooking, 1 cup of water equals about half a pound. 2 cups of water equals 16 ounces. In metric terms, that's about 0.47 kilograms. Here's easy trick. 16 ounces of water equals 1 pound. This shortcut helps in cooking, science, and travel. 16 fluid ounces equals 473 grams, or about 1 pound. So next time someone asks, you'll know exactly how much 16 ounces of water weighs. Fun fact, ice floats because frozen water is less dense. When water freezes, molecules spread apart. This property helps lakes freeze from the top down. Understanding water weight makes everyday measurements easier. And now you know 16 ounces of water weighs about 1 pound.